Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to test out all of the Petit Vour box items I got for last month's Petit Vour box of February. I was super duper late with trying to do the unboxing, so I decided to not do that one at all. I just opened the box. I was like, heck, most of the items I can use, on camera. So that's what I did. Using my kind of everyday makeup look. Anyways, this is all the items from the Petit Vour box on my face, along with some other drugstore faves, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Since I did not do a Petit Vour unboxing for, what month was it? February, because it's March, right? I'm going to just do a short video of me using the stuff I got in last month's Petit Vour box on my face, And then one of the items was this Lyzmarie Purifying Daily Detox Scrub with activated charcoal. I just used this right before I started filming. It makes my face feel hydrated and soft. And I really enjoy it. It's not drying at all. It has some, I don't know what kind of feeling it is. Maybe kind of like a cooling sensation after I rinse it off and I get everything off my face. Like my skin feels cool. I don't know what ingredient in this would do that. But I mean, it doesn't bother me. I like it, I brought this Lyzmarie detox scrub with me on my little Georgia weekend trip that I had just the other week or so ago, and I really enjoyed it. It was great. I think this is the best cleanser I've gotten from the Petit Vour box. Besides that I Heart Eyes one, that one really does take off makeup. It's good. It's real good. And yeah, I plan on buying the full size of this one right here. The next item is the Tomato Calendula Healing Anti-Blemish Face Balm. I'm going to put this on before I do the rest of my face, and I'll see how it works. I haven't used it. I should have probably been testing it out this whole past month, but I haven't. I'm just letting it sit there to collect dust. But I've been getting some small blemishes across my face and dry patches, so maybe this will help with that. I don't know what's up with my skin, but it has been acting real bad. It is not cooperating with me. So yeah, I'm just gonna do my everyday makeup, and I'm just gonna use this as some sort of primer. Now this is really, I thought it was gonna be firmer. My finger just run right in. Okay, my hands are clean. I washed them as well as my face. I'm gonna put some of this stuff on my face. I think I grabbed a little too much. I don't know. I may have grabbed a wee bit too much. But I'm just going to rub this in my... I even bring it down my neck. I don't know if you're supposed to do that, but I guess I'll soon find out if it's not supposed to go on your neck. For all the prices and stuff for this product, I'm gonna put it in the down bar because somehow I lost the little card that comes in every Petit Vour box, and I'm a little upset because I've been collecting them. And this last month's February's was so cute. It was freaking adorable. And I lost the card. I'm sure it's somewhere. I just have to look for it, It smells fresh. I'm not good with describing scents, but the calendula, I will say. I don't know if this has calendula in it, but oh, it is Tomato Calendula. I didn't say it right. The brand is Zabana Essentials, and hopefully this will help with my skin problems as of late. Any dry patches I seem to have had, this face balm has helped smooth those out. And I'll just have to keep using it and see if it helps with any breakouts and little acne that I might have, but okay. Another item that I got from my Petit Vour box is the Elate Concealer. I wish I had the card so I could talk about the benefits of this more, and I'm like, actually, you know what, I'm just gonna put my lazy wrap back on, and maybe I shall Google it on my phone right now. This tiny pot of camouflage superpower will give you a boost when you need it most. The Late Cream Revealer is a skin corrector that reveals a more confident you. The smooth cream application makes this your essential tool for concealing under eye circles, blemishes, scars, and anything else you wish to hide. Of course, your true beauty never needs correcting. Oh, how sweet. Stop it. The color I got was Fawn, which is a yellow toned concealer for light, medium, and deep skin, and it's designed to cover purplish under eye circles. So is this more of like a color corrector, more so than a concealer? It's kind of how it sounds to me, but I'm gonna try and use that as concealer. I don't know if it'll match my skin tone exactly, but for it to cover light, medium, and dark skin tones, that doesn't make sense to me, because if you look inside this little pot, if I can get it open, it's super light. You see this? You see this little thing? It is so light. I'm going to try this concealer for my little blemish marks. And also, of course, my under eyes. I don't know why I have my brain spaced out there. I'm gonna start off by placing it with a brush, and then I'll go in with my Real Techniques sponge. I also use the concealer as eyeshadow base, even though I'm not really gonna be using eyeshadow today. I'm just gonna probably put some bronzer on. Here's my sponge. I forgot to wet it. Not to worry. I shall use my Pixie Mist to moisten said sponge. Okay. I'm having some problems with this concealer, this concealer cover. It's giving me like little balls of pigment that aren't blending into anything. Yeah, like even right here on my face, it's not blending, it's just like balling up, which is weird. I don't get what that is. I'm gonna try to add some more. I don't know if maybe it's the brush. Maybe. This is a totally new spongy sponge, so I'm just gonna dip right in and try it that way. See if that helps any. I don't know if maybe it was the brush doing that. Okay, it's not doing it anymore, so maybe it was the brush. I'm gonna add more to the shot. It's not adding much coverage. It's not adding much coverage at all. I mean, it blends right into my skin, or maybe that's just the beauty blender taking it completely away. But so far, I am not impressed with this concealer. I'm going to try it again, possibly with my fingers on another day, and see if that'll work. But for right now, that's as good as it's going to get. So I'm going to go ahead and now set it with a setting powder. And I'm just using the Essence All About Matte. I'm trying to use it up. I hit painting on it, but I just want to use it up and try a new one because it's not my favorite. I mean, it works well enough for like the under eye, but for setting the whole face, it makes my face look extremely dry, which is no bueno, you know? No bueno. I mean, I just like to set the rest of my face, because I do tend to get oily during the day, and then if I want to add any cheap products, I have a smooth powdered base. Since I'm not going to be using cream products on my face, I'm going to be using a powder, bronzer, and whatnot. And after I do that, sometimes, if I so please, I'll just do a quick spritz with my Pixie Mist. I wish the concealer offered more coverage, but I haven't been sleeping well lately, so my dark circles are bad. Okay, I'm going to continue with the rest of my makeup, and I'll come back with you with the last item from my Petit Vour box. I don't typically add contour to my cheeks, but I'm just gonna give it a whirl. I'm gonna add some butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. I don't know if that's looking blended or not. And on some days I like to add blush, but today I'm just gonna leave the bronzer. Oh, I forgot to add some bronzers to my eyes to add some, slight definition. Some Essence Pure Nude. Oh, I love setting mists. I'm gonna add some Essence Make Me Brow. So I don't really need it because, you know, I have bangs, so you don't really see my brows, which is why my brows are really low maintenance. I'm going to add some It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, which is getting really dried out. I definitely need a new mascara. So if you guys have any suggestions for some really great mascaras, I wouldn't mind it. That was it for the face. Very simple, just some bronzer. I rarely add contour. I just tried it for the first time in a really long time, and it might actually be like, I might have overdone it, or am I a little patchy? I don't know because I'm half blind. But anywho, the last item I got from my Petit Vour box unboxing is the Red Apple lipstick in the shade Petit Vour. Not lipstick, it's a lip liner. But you get what I mean. Let's see if I can open this. It's covered in plastic. Oh dear Jesus. Technical difficulties. I shall be right back with y'all. Oh, damn it, I broke it. I don't know if I can, dang it. I seem to have, you know, broken the tip. Maybe I could just color in with what's left. If not, I have failed so utterly and completely. Alright, y'all. I did what I could. It's a pretty color. I'm not really one for pinks though. Pink is not my favorite color of lipstick or lip liner for that matter to wear. This lip liner also claims to be waterproof. I need to test this on a rainy day. I shall dance in the rain and see if you bleed. Bleed out. But okay guys, that was all the items I got from my February Petit Vour unboxing, along with my everyday makeup look and just some basic items from the drugstore that I like to use. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, I'll see y'all later. Toodles. Why are you breaking up in pieces instead of just doing the one strip? You're faulty packaging. Faulty. And I don't appreciate you. You're making my life a living hell right now. Just come off. Almost there. Got it. I wonder how bad my makeup looks. No, my makeup looks bad. Don't be too hard, girl. I'm not a professional makeup artist. I never claimed to be. I'm just an everyday old gal, just living her life. Just living her life. Easy, breezy, sleazy. I was gonna say easy breezy, CoverGirl. I think that's the CoverGirl motto. But you know, I don't buy CoverGirl because I don't buy that brand.